Today I'm here in Alcampo, one of those places many people pass on their way to Benidorm. It's just 10 kilometers from Alicante and about a 30-minute drive from Benidorm. I'm here to explore the beautiful promenade they have and all their bars and shops against it. So walk with me today and see this stunning place you always drive by on your way to Benidorm. And if you look closely, you can see Benidorm there, all the way in the distance. And there are quite some clouds hanging back there, but over here it's beautiful. Right actually from here, all the way towards Alicante, as far you can see, hardly any clouds. Beautiful weather today with 26 degrees. So yeah, it's nice and quiet out here. Of course, it is October, so the main season has been finished already in these smaller places. But still quite some is open. And if you have a car or you have the ability to head here, I would definitely recommend it. Escape Benidorm for a bit. Despite how much it has to offer, there's so many hidden gems all around here. And that's beautiful. Discovering other places as well. One of the things I love to do, like over here, Campello. The beach promenade is wide enough for this small town, and as well the road next to it you see over there. Cars are banned from here except for restocking, which is in the early hours or late ones, and even bicycles and small scooters aren't allowed over here. So yeah, plenty of restaurants are still open, but there are also places which have closed for the winter or maybe only open in the weekends or late hours. When it gets really busy, of course Spanish people like to eat late at night, think about 9 or 10 in the evening. Could mean they open right then, and as for now, it's definitely enough what they offer over here. But yeah, it does mean that we have to skip this ice cream shop right now. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like, do subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.